All right, so we continue with chapter number 31. And now topic is treatment of illness and injuries. So we did a little introduction, and we said there are several categories of illness, and depends on the severity of the illness. So in some cases we would allow to take medicine, not allow, treat the wound, not allow, not treat the wound. All of this very interesting things. So part number 2, and topic is the different category of illness. The poskim in their discussions of the law of treatment illness and injury establish 4 categories. Okay. So let's very small note. Okay. There is a 5th category known as sakanas aver. Okay. This refers to a situation involving potential loss of limb without dangers to life. The laws pertaining to this category of illness, as well as laws applicable to the wounds, which required stitches, are not discussed in this book. I learned about this. That's a danger to lose a limb. I mean it's not bleeding, it's nothing. Okay, I don't remember exactly what would be example is. Okay, but let's leave it. Okay, so let's see what is pertaining to our discussion. So 4 categories. First one, a sick person whose life is in danger. So for this person, Chas v'shalom, person got hit by a car, so something, so you would be allowed to do, or somebody like giving birth. For sure, it's very, very dangerous. So all of this, or somebody has a heart attack or something like, or some like epileptic attack, something like dangerous. Okay. So in this case, you can do everything for that person. So second category, a sick person whose life is not in danger. Okay, so let's okay. Third category, a localized ailment that causes discomfort. Maybe like some, I don't know, sunburn, I don't know, some burn maybe, so yeah. Or I don't know, some things. Okay. D, the first one, minor ailment that causes little or no pain, meaning that you can go without medicine, without anything. Okay. Below is a description of each category and synopsis of the laws pertaining to it. So whatever I remember, I'm going to add. But let's see. Said synopsis. Okay. Okay. So section number 3: illness or injury that is life-threatening. So it's a chol sakana. Okay. Chol sheish bo sakana. A person who has a illness or injury which poses immediate threat to the existence or to the normal function of the vital life process. Okay. Including this category situation in which the life is threat to life is not definite, but the mere possibility exists. So before we continue, so we have this law in Shulchan Aruch. If doctor said he's okay, and person sick says I'm not okay, I have this pain, and doctor said you don't have pain, so we listen to that person. If he says that he needs this and this treatment, that's we give him treatment, right? And if he says I'm fine, I don't have anything, and doctor said you do, so in this case we will listen to a doctor. Right, and plus, since we're not a doctor, and and even if it is a doctor, it's only when something external, something internal. Most likely, they do not know unless, as we know, they must run all of this million of checks, right? MRI, I know all of these things, right? X-ray, whatever is it, right? So also that they would not know, so you like. If you like I like simple people, like suspect that it's something might be life danger, might be like, I don't know how remote possible, I don't know, 7.5%, I don't know, I'm just saying, right? So in this case, we put this person in that category. So if you suspect, okay, or he tells us, oh, you suspect is from your life experience. I mean, all of us have all life experience, right, with the sicknesses. Or that person said, so he said or she said, I'm dying, I cannot breathe, and you see them breathing normally, right, like slow, like normally. So you will listen to them. A person shows indication that he may have suffered a heart attack. So of course a person cannot talk, but some indications. So you can always go online and check what is this indication, heart attack, and how to treat, because it's very, very important, because in this case, in those cases, time is in very essence. Like every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like plays a huge role. I had to call ambulance, and person said, no, I'm okay, don't worry about me. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about you when doctor says not to worry about it. Right now, just like take it easy. Okay. So B, major blood vessel has been ruptured. So it is a bleeding. Right? Maybe like bleeding from outside, or some internal bleeding, and the blood is come out, like something is not right. C, a person has bitten by a wild dog or a poisonous insect. And some people have this this allergy. I don't know what is it called, on the bite of a bees, right? Or some other like this. What is it? Some other things, right? Snakes, a wild dog, or this. Right, the dog is, what is it? Rabies, something like rabies, or whatever how we pronounce, right? So also it's very, very dangerous, very dangerous. Or some wild animals. What does it say? Like we have a new one animal that come to my porch. So we saw it. We chased it one time, but guess what? It or its brother or sister came again. What is it called? Whatever it's called. It's a scary looking animal, and I when I was like reading up on them on the internet, so they say don't try to feed them, don't try to be friends. If they bite you, it's like very, very poisonous, right? Very, and they when they go to the restroom, try it like to wash it away, because it's very, very poisonous, right? Continue. A person suffered an injury to the eye, right? So its eye is very, very delicate, right? So you have to do something about it as soon as possible. So always, if somebody does something, like always like put protective goggles. Me personally, I have 3 pairs or 4 pairs, and they saved my eyes many, many times. Baruch HaShem. Very, very important. Next one, a person experiences a severe internal pain. So when internal pain, you don't know, like maybe it's internal bleeding, maybe this, maybe that. So like we don't play with that. So even like pain, severe and not severe, we don't expect it to go away by itself, right? All these categories, what is it, five categories, so they're all considered when life is in danger. I'm going to read again. A person who shows indication that he may have suffered heart attack. So a person was laying in the bed. It's not like he collapsed. Okay, right? Laying in the bed, and you come in and you see that's how he looks, how she looks. Right? Major blood vessel has ruptured, for sure. Right? So if it's a little bleeding, somebody cut their finger or something, okay, that person is going to survive. But major blood vessel. C, person has bitten by a wild dog or poisonous insect, right? So also problem. And D, person suffer injury in the eye, so that's very, very dangerous. A person might lose an eye. right? And person experience severe internal pain. So whatever internal pain, so again, as we said, we cannot estimate. Doctor cannot estimate. Like right? So you can do whatever you need to do, or if you're not sure, just listen to that person. But even like if that person say no, you still don't listen to them, right? Because it might be dangerous. The halacha rules that one must transgress any biblical or rabbinic law to save the person's life. Okay. The poskim praise the individual who is quick to violate the Yom Tov on behalf of someone whose life is in danger. So don't think maybe he can wait till the evening, like it's only 3 hours left until the end of the Yom Tov. No. We violate the Yom Tov, and that's your observance of the Yom Tov. That's your observance of the halacha. Like I always say, some people are trying to be heroes, even though they have very poor health, and they're trying to fast on Yom Kippur. I say, up for you, it is mitzvah not to fast. And they feel bad, and I understand, and they've been doing for many years, but because of this, I understand everything. But for you, it's a mitzvah to eat on Yom Kippur. Of course, it's small measures, and we're going to go over with you how to do that, but that's mitzvah. Okay.